Hello guys, so for this video, we will ask to simplify this equation. So we will use the properties of exponent. So if maka-encounter po kayo ng mga ganito, ang pinakauna po ninyong gagawin is mas maigi na i-distribute nyo po muna yung exponent po muna natin. So we have here 5x raised to 3 times y over 20x y raised to 5 and everything is raised to 4. So itong 4 dito, i-distribute natin siya isa-isa. Yan, pati dito sa 20, pati sa x. Ayan. So, by applying the properties of exponent, magiging ganito yung mukha niya. So, 5, that is raised to 4. Ayan. So, x, kasi may raised to 3 si 3. So, lagyan lang natin ng parenthesis. Ayan, raised to 4. And then, y raised to 4. Then, sa baba naman tayo, that's 20 raised to 4. And then, x raised to 4, and then y raised to 5, tapos sulat lang natin si raised to 4. So as you can see, we already distribute 4s. Ayan, yung mga 4 sa tigi-isa po sa kanila. And then, we will simplify that. Or, ito po muna, itong 5 raised to 4, ano muna natin, copy lang muna natin siya. So, dito ko isusulat sa baba, 5 raised to 4. Tapos, itong 3, si x raised to 3 times 4, you just multiply the exponent. So, magiging x raised to 12 kasi 3 times 4. Tapos, of course, copy natin si y raised to 4. Then, sa baba naman tayo, 20, yan, raised to 4. And then, si x raised to 4. And then, itong dalawa, si 5 times 4, that's 20. Okay, so, y raised to 20. So, as you can see po, dito, si 5 raised to 4, ito siya, and si 20 raised to 4, pwede natin po yang, meron po tayong makakancel out dyan. So, ito pong si 20 raised to 4, yan, pwede po natin yung isulat si 20 raised to 4. We can actually write that one. Kasi si 20 is 5 times 4. Di po ba? Okay, 5 times 4 po yan. So, erase po natin ng 4. So, if we will distribute again the 4 on each, magiging 5 raised to, magiging 5 raised to 4, at saka 4 raised to 4 po yan. Okay? So, isusulat natin siya in a way na, ano na siya, no? Naging 5 times 4 na. So, sulat muna natin ulit, 5 times 4, x raised to 12, y raised to 4. Tapos, itong si 20, ito yung isusulat natin, 5 raised to 4. Tapos, 4 raised to 4. And then, dito na tayo, x raised to 4. And then, y raised to 20. So, as you can see, dito merong 5 raised to 4. Meron din pong 5 raised to 4. So, we can cancel it out. Magiging 1 na lang po yan. So, ang natira, ito na lang. Okay? Sila na lang yung natira. So, dito sa kabila, okay, kakopy muna natin si 4 raised to 4. Okay? 4 raised to 4. And then si x raised to 12 at si x raised to 4, ide-divide natin yan siya. So, kung ide-divide mo siya, try natin. We will write it as, okay, ganito na lang. Kasi, mas malaki yung exponent ni numerator, ito, kasi raised to 12 po yan. So, ilalagay natin yung x sa taas. Kasi sa baba, raised to 4 lang. So, lalagay natin yung x sa taas pala. Tapos, 12, ito, yung kanyang exponent, minus yung exponent sa baba. Pero make sure po na parehas po sila ng base na x. Same is true dito kay y. As you can see, mas malaki si 20 kaysa ni 4. So, ilalagay natin si y sa baba. Okay, sa baba natin siya ilalagay. So, y. Tapos, lagay natin si 20 minus yung ito, si 4. Okay? Minus 4. yung exponent nung nasa taas. Okay, tapos, ito na, simplify na natin, x, ito, raised to 12 minus 4, so copy natin si x, si 12 minus 4 is, 8. Okay, over, ayan siya, tama ba? 12 minus 4 is 8, right? Okay, tapos si 4 raised to 4. So if you will just use your calculator, what is 4 raised to 4? Ayan, bibigyan niyo po kayo ng 256. Okay, 256. Or, pwede naman na, ito kasing 4 raised to 4, you can use it one as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So, 4 times 4, tapos 16. 16 times 4, tapos times 4 po ulit. Okay? So, para mas mabilis, if you have your calculator, it will give you 256. Okay? So, lagay natin dito sa baba kasi sa baba si 4 raised to 4. Tapos, dito na, copy natin si y, tapos 20 minus 4, so 20 minus 4 is 16. Okay? So, 16 po. So, yun na po yung ating answer. Ang answer po natin ay x raised to 8 over 256 y raised to 16. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-simplify po ng mga equation na gaya nito. Maraming salamat po for watching. Have a great day!